I'm flattening the largest slabs I've basically ever cut. These two slabs are over 6 feet wide and 12 foot long. They were longer. We had to cut them. I'm just about hitting the soft limits on the table on each end on the y-axis, and I'm running this only at about 650 inches a minute. I've already basically taken off a 1/4 inch. You can see the far slab. This slab's a little bit lower. It's got some high corners. So this is the first pass of the second 1/4 inch I've taken off. So I've got 3 more 1/16ths. I think then this slab's going to be done first. So then I'll pause the program, and then this slab will get flipped because I got it kind of bows up a little bit there. I don't want to. Once it's flat, I stop. I don't take any more off.